Starting to sell on Amazon can feel like a huge leap, but with the right tools, it can be incredibly smooth. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to start selling on Amazon with JungleScout. If you've been looking for a tool that can make your Amazon journey easier, you're in the right place. JungleScout is packed with features that help you find profitable products, analyze competitors, and track your sales, all of which are essential for success on Amazon. You'll be able to start your Amazon business with confidence by knowing exactly which products to sell and how to stand out. Now, let's dive straight into using JungleScout. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to JungleScout's product database. This tool is designed to help you find high-demand, low-competition products that will maximize your chances of success. You can filter by category, price range, and estimated sales to make sure you're choosing products with strong market potential. Once you've got a product in mind, JungleScout's product tracker helps you keep an eye on how well that product is performing on Amazon. It tracks sales, pricing, and inventory levels, so you know whether you should move forward or pivot your approach. This is a key feature because it gives you the data needed to adjust in real time. But let's not forget about competitor research. JungleScout makes it easy to see how well your competition is doing. By looking at their reviews, sales numbers, and marketing strategies, you can fine-tune your approach and avoid mistakes. You'll be able to find gaps in the market where your product can stand out. And here's the best part. JungleScout offers all of these insights through its Chrome extension. The extension allows you to instantly analyze any Amazon page and see key product details like estimated sales, reviews, and pricing. It's an incredibly fast way to gather data on your competitors or potential products without leaving the Amazon platform. As you continue to grow your business, JungleScout's keyword research tool will become indispensable. By understanding the keywords that drive traffic to similar products, you can fine-tune your listings to ensure you're getting the right visibility. Whether it's SEO or PPC campaigns, targeting the right keywords will help you get your product in front of more customers. And if you're worried about pricing, JungleScout has got your back. You can use the software for free from the first link below, where we've also secured some exclusive bonuses for you. This means you can get started without committing right away. Test out all the features before deciding if it's the right fit for your business. Now, if you're thinking about how to scale your Amazon business, JungleScout can help with that too. They offer tools to track your profits, manage inventory, and even automate parts of your workflow. This is crucial if you want to grow without overwhelming yourself. So, whether you're a total beginner or someone looking to improve your existing Amazon business, JungleScout is a tool that will make your journey much easier. With its comprehensive features, you'll have everything you need to start strong and continue growing your sales on Amazon. Before we wrap up, remember to click the first link below to access JungleScout for free, plus those exclusive bonuses. And if you're serious about diving into Amazon selling, using this tool will be one of the best decisions you make. Thanks for watching, and remember, you've got a free extended trial waiting for you. Get started today and set yourself up for success on Amazon.